This is the Earth and Turf 60-inch snowplow. It's a clamp-on snowplow, and it comes on a skid like this. It's totally assembled and ready to go. All you got to do is walk up to the machine with cutters, cut the bands, then all you got to do then is just drive your tractor up, and you can see the clamps, clamp device. Basically going to bring the tractor up. Just drive into the clamps and lift up. Just keep sliding in then. Lift up on it. Roll it back. Roll it back. And just bring her back down now. And just tighten up your clamps. One on each side. Good. Now you're ready to plow snow.